You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase. The name of this scan. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations and medical terms vocabulary in English, stay tuned. There are different pronunciations in English. British English and American English are different. Nuchal Scan is the British English pronunciation, the way it is said in Britain, the UK, while in America, in the United States, US pronunciation, Nuchal Scan or Nuchal Scan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.